Welcome everybody. Let's just take a brief review. Let's just look into a few pairs. All right, give me just 3 minutes of your time and I will be done. All right, so the euro against the American dollar price is still sideways. You're still seeing that sideways bias. Nothing much to talk about here. The next pair is the sterling pound against Australian dollar. We actually reviewed this pair and we talked about not trading against that area of resistance, all right? But as you can see, price just took off, okay? Breaking that area that we were very wary of. Well, in most cases, you don't need to regret about this, right? Don't worry about that. You just have to let it go. We didn't want to take the risk of trading against that level of resistance. Similarly, the sterling pound against the New Zealand dollar in the daily time frame, we talked about the possibility of an expanding triangle. Okay, as a sign of market confusion, we didn't trade that bounce. Okay, but as you can see, price again push in the direction of that analysis. Euro against the New Zealand dollar, we were involved in this pair. In fact, we took our entry. If you remember, where we actually analyze price around this area. All right, in the okay, not there. Let's see. I think it's somewhere behind. Let me just take out the okay, somewhere around in here. We analyze this pair somewhere around in here. Okay, so we're waiting for that pullback for us to look for our buy entry. We got the buy entry quite all right, but we took our profit out somewhere around here for plus 180 something pips. All right, but today you can see they just drove price back down, taking out all stop losses at break even, and then they push it to the upside. All right, so that confirms that we are also in the correct direction. The euro against the Canadian dollar, where we closed our trade here at break-even position. We were trading the bullish engulfing candle in the daily time frame. This one here, that's the bullish engulfing candle that we were trading. Okay, our trade got triggered, then suffered a lot of hesitation for a whole week. All right, all of those minor candles right there. Fortunately, our stop loss wasn't hit, and so we closed the trade out at break even. But today you can see price right up there. Okay, that also confirms that we are trading in the correct direction. Then the gold. All right, we analyzed gold and we talked about this level here, this line. We were actually looking for a breakout. Okay, we talked about going short. Okay, and you can see price has actually dropped down. That confirms that we were also analyzing in the right direction. Then the euro against the Australian dollar. This is one of our painful trades. In fact, we took this trade of the forward time frame. Let me take this of the forward time frame. Okay, we took this trade as soon as this retracement trend line was broken. Unfortunately, they drove price all the way to take us out on our stop loss and immediately bounced price to the upside. That was quite a painful one, but anyway, we just have to accept that loss and let it go. But again, it confirms the fact that we are trading in the right direction. Okay. All right, now the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Remember, in our last review, we talked about price going bearish. All right, I told you that if you are looking to trade this pair, you should be looking for short opportunities. And now we got that bearish move. All right, this is an area of congestion, Okay, now we have gotten the breakout to the downside. What do we need to do? We need to wait for price to make a pullback, and from there on we are going to find our valid entry to make money from that move. Okay, so this pair is now on our radar. We're waiting for price to make that pullback, then we will look for our valid entry. The New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Again, our analysis has been confirmed. We were looking for a breakout of that level. Well, sadly, we missed the initial breakout entry in the forward time frame. All right, we missed that entry. that was the breakout pullback, all right, the continuation move. We're supposed to have traded that breakout pullback pattern right here, but we missed that pattern, all right, we missed it. Don't you worry, we're going to find the actual full swing retracement, all right, we'll get the full swing pullback for us to trigger our entry. Just be patient, okay? Finally, the American dollar against the Japanese yen, it seems this pair is now making a double top, all right, double top. We're expecting a downside right here, and so we are watching this pair in the daily time frame to see if we will get this bounce right here. If we get this bounce, the confirmation bounce, then we will get our entry. This is basically all. For all of you who are VIP members, of course, we will let you know how we take any entry. Just be patient, all right? We are actually trading the right direction. All we need to do is be patient and wait for the next opportunity. I'm sorry I have taken more than 5 minutes of your time. Thanks again. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.